Well, hello there people. So we're on the 27th of February 2019 and we are having, at least at the moment, a very early and warm spring indeed. Yesterday it was apparently 20 degrees C. It certainly felt like it, particularly working in it. Beautiful it was. Today about 17 degrees C right now, and it's about midday, something like that, and that's around 62 degrees Fahrenheit. And of course, because of that, things are coming on gorgeously early. So I thought I'd show you these beautiful little daffs. I mean, look at those. Don't they look gorgeous? Just lovely, vivid yellow there. And I just, it really is lovely, because this time last year, we were around the time of the Beast from the East, that period of chilly weather, so to speak. If you can't remember that, or you... Hang on, I've just seen the butterfly. Wait. No, it went. Never mind. Yes, so you may remember that, Beast from the East that we had. But I'll link some videos down below from that because, there was a fair degree of that going on. But it's so different this year. But, the weather here in the UK can be rather strange. So we're far from out of the woods yet. And I suspect we're going to be getting chilly rather soon. And look at these lovely daffs. Look, they look gorgeous. I mean, look at that. I saw a few bumblebees the other day, but look at lovely colour and healthy and absolutely beauties. And here, got some tulips. They're going to be coming up soon. And I don't know if anyone else has noticed this, but primroses this year, they are such lovely, beautiful colours. I mean, look at that. Gorgeous. Lovely little... Whoop, sorry. Try to get out the sun there. Oh, come on. Just try to... There you go. I mean, look at them. Fantastic sort of purple colour primrose there. I've got more of the daffs here, and here, look at these pansies that have been in all winter, and they're still rocking and rolling with the beautiful blooms and colours here. Truly gorgeous and fantastic. More daffs waiting to come out. Beautiful, beautiful. And we've got gorgeous flowers on that sweet pea, look. Lovely colour. And this geranium survived being outside all winter, so far anyway. Seen a lot of geraniums this year, and we did have a few hard frosts a week or two ago, or 3 weeks, something like that, which did get a lot of them, but obviously not this one, so lovely, eh? And look at them crocuses. These are beauties. I mean, look at them colours. Lovely. Just need some bumblebees, but too early for bumblebees. I saw some the other day, and if it gets cold, it could harm them. But just look at these. Oh, there as well. Crocuses. Oh, lovely, aren't they? Such just pretty colours. More crocuses here. These ones aren't fully out yet. And some nice bunch of daffs, look. And these winter pansies, well, pansies, look, been in all winter, still far and away with their lovely blooms. Look, probably there, look, more blooms to come. Little flowers potentially for a later date, but look. Lovely, aren't they? Gorgeous. Absolutely beauties. Look at these lovely flowers on these heathers here. I mean, look at them. Fantastic. Let's try and get a nice close-up of them. Look at them. Little yellow crocuses here. Nice big lovely daffodil there. Look at these lovely flowers here. hellebores there, coming into flower, won't be long now. Some more darling daffs here, look, I mean, lovely, isn't it? Oh well, gotta go. Coming towards the end of the old memory here, but yeah, just check them videos out that I'm going to post down below, and you can just see the differences in the weather for the time of year, you know. You know, you can look on there, look at this, is almost like a video diary. You see the differences from year to year, how marvellous things can be. Okay, if you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Nice primrose again there, look.